Hi there. Welcome to English O Canada. Today, we're going to learn prepositions of time, words like on, in, at, since, by, and more. They help us answer the question, when. Let's start with the word on. Use on for days and dates. For example, on Monday, on the 17th of May, on my wedding anniversary. Now let's look at in. We use in for longer periods, like months, years, and parts of the day. For example, in January, in 2012, in the morning. Next is at. Use at for specific times and short periods. For example, at 9:30, at night, at the weekend. Let's talk about from and to. This is used to show a time period. For example, from Monday to Friday, from 9 to 5. Here's an important one. By. By means something happens no later than a certain time. For example, I'll finish it by Monday. He arrived by 6 o'clock. Now let's look at since and for. Use since when you know when something started. I've worked here since 2004. Use for to talk about how long. I've worked here for 6 years. Now we have the word ago. Use ago to talk about something in the past. For example, I moved here 3 years ago. That means 3 years before now. Let's talk about before and prior to. They both mean something happened earlier than a specific time. Before the meeting, I had coffee. Prior to the policy, there was no rule. Let's review. On, for days and dates. In, for months and parts of the day. At, for exact times. From, to, for time spans. By, for deadlines. Since and for durations. Ago, for the past. Before, prior to, for earlier events. Thanks for learning with me on English O Canada. Like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. And tell me in the comments, what time do you wake up? Use a preposition of time in your answer. Let's practice the prepositions. I am going to say a sentence. In the comments, write the preposition you think fits in the best. Good luck! 1. Which sentence is correct? A. I was born on July. B. I was born on July 17th. 2. We use in for A. Exact times like 9, B. Months and years. 3. Which is correct? A. She studies in the night. B. She studies in the evening. 4. Choose the correct sentence. A. We meet at Monday. B. We meet at 8 o'clock. At night means A. During nighttime, B. In the afternoon. 6. I work from 9-5. A. At B. to 7. If you say by Friday, it means A. After Friday, B. On or before Friday. 8. I've lived here 2020. A since B for 9. I've been here 3 years. A since B for 10. I started school 2 years ago means A in the future, B in the past. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you for being here. Before you go to the next video, like, subscribe, and share. See you all again on English O Canada.